Okay guys, today we'll be fixing Visuo drone, model number XS809HW. Problem with this one is that one of the motors burned out, so I took that one out. So basically what happened, the propeller got stuck. Actually the sand got into the gears and made it much harder for the propeller to turn. In turn, motor heat up, the coil inside expanded and started scraping on the inner edge of the casing and took off the insulation, and that rendered motor useless. So if you're changing motor, usually you should go with, like, if you're changing one, change all of them, because you know they're coming from the same batch. So we'll just keep that in mind. So I got here like two clockwise, two counterclockwise motors. Difference between counterclockwise and clockwise motors is that since these are brushed motors, so you get two brushes. So if the motor is clockwise, the brushes are aligned like this. So since the collector turns, it puts like tension to it, not pressure, and kind of pulls the brushes on it and keeps them tight. If the motor is turning counterclockwise, then it would be pushing back on the brushes while it turns, and effectively like loosening the connect this way. So I mean, they can use them both lastly, but I mean, so it's more efficient with it in brushes, so for longer. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do something stupid right about now. I'm gonna do a quick test. I don't advise you to do this because it's not good. It's kind of dangerous. So I'm not gonna just gonna put the propellers, not even one screw, just to see if it's gonna behave the way it should behave. Okay, battery. Turn it on. Make sure it doesn't catch any wires. This one might. Here. That's not good. That's better. Marginally better. Alright. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna put it together and hopefully it's gonna run perfectly. This is takeoff after repair.